Strength assessment. Now that you have learned on the importance of knowing your strengths, it's time to take a strength assessment. But before, it is important for you to know that the strength assessment is broken into 3 categories: personal strengths, work-related strengths, and specialty strengths. Personal strengths are skills we use to interact and communicate with others. Work-related strengths are strengths at work. Specialty strengths are strengths that are specific to you. Be honest in your strengths. Everybody is good at something and nobody is good at everything. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. This is the strength assessment, which you will find attached to this lesson for you to fill out. Directions. Look at the list of strengths below. Check all the strengths you think apply to you and include as many as you can. Add any others you can think of in the space provided. Personal strengths. So this is a list of personal strengths, and you will mark any that you believe pertain to you. Honest, friendly, creative, positive attitude, cooperative, likes responsibility, neat appearance, willing to learn, works well under pressure, follows directions, flexible, productive, problem solver, polite, patient, trustworthy, confident, accurate, good listener, rarely gets angry, learns quickly, high attention to detail. You will use this section to add your other personal strengths. If there are any other personal strengths not listed above, but you believe you have, you will list them inside this box. Right below, you will list the top 3 personal strengths from the ones noted above that represent you. You will then move on to work-related strengths, which are organized, dependable, completes tasks on time and accurately, flexible and adaptable, neat work habits, works well with others, willing to start, stop, and switch duties, starts tasks without prompting, takes responsibility for own share of work, follows directions, punctual, works hard, seeks out information to improve skills, completes all tasks even if unpleasant, can work without constant supervision, accepts change, works calmly in busy environments, asks questions to solve problems to do tasks better, listens, understands, and asks questions, and attention to detail. In the box below, you will use this section to add any work-related strengths not listed above that you believe you have. Underneath that, you will review the strengths you have noted above and list your top 3 work-related strengths. Finally, we move on to specialty strengths. These are computer programming, gaming, reading and following technical manuals, assembling, cooking expertise, working with children, good memory for words, pictures, or numbers, expressing ideas orally to individuals or groups, counseling people, using computer applications such as Word, Excel, spreadsheets, or PowerPoints, teaching, instructing, or training others, repairing equipment, fixing things, taking care of animals, working with the elderly, math, preparing written communications, and constructing things. You will use this section to add any other specialty strengths not listed above but that pertain to you. Right below, you will list your top 3 specialty strengths that represent you. And with this, you have completed the strength assessment lesson. Thank you.